Hello everyone, welcome to all in this channel. Today I am going to show you the how to draw a projections of a square pyramid. This is the projections of a square pyramid. In this we can find the final top view and even front view. This is the final drawing. Now let's start the drawing from here. In this area we will draw a line, and in this line we will get four things to know that are those are the left side is x and the right side is y. Above the line is VP, vertical projections, and below the line is horizontal projections, that is HP. We will draw in this. The question is given as in we need to draw in HP, like it is parallel to VP. That means we will draw the square in the HP region. If it is perpendicular to the VP, then we will draw in VP region, and mostly we will see that the incline at 45 degrees at 2 HP, so that we will draw the first the square, initial square will draw at HP region. Now let's start drawing the square now. It is the side length is 30, so that square all sides are equal. We will draw 30 from all sides. Now give the projection space to the from the corners, give the line to this line, the axis line. Now give another line joining both this. Now from the center, give the square center also. Draw a line, and from here draw 60. As the height is mentioned as 60 in the question, and as it is a pyramid, draw a triangle like this shape. Now copy this, select all these lines and just copy them and paste beside this shape. And now then rotate this with 45 degrees as it is mentioned in the question. If this is shape is in the VP, then if the shape is in HP, then 45. As it is mentioned it in VP, then we need to use minus 45. Now for knowing the angle, go to dimensions. In the dimensions, angular dimension. Now select this both lines. We can see this is 45 degrees as it mentioned in the question. Now draw the projections like these lines downwards from this shape. And from the square also draw the projections. Now take a polyline, connect these lines. Now highlight these lines, increase the line weight of these lines. We will join these points with this, like we will see from here, the namings, from namings we'll get to know here A, then A, B, C, D. From A and this line, we will draw this point here. We will keep a point, and from here to here, a point, and from this point to this point, a point, and same like this. And as it is a pyramid, we will keep a point here, and this both lines are from the back side which we cannot see, so that keep these lines as a dotted lines. Make this all these four lines into dotted lines, and even highlight these lines also. Increase the line weight. Keep up till 0.4 or 0.5, and make this line into dash dot line. This line will be there in this, or else if you haven't load, go to others and go to load, and then you can select. For suppose if you want double dash and a dot line, then here OK, and then OK. You will get here these lines. Like this, you will get the lines in this by block. Make sure that every line got highlighted which are required to highlight. And this is the front view and the top view of the square pyramid, and the namings you can give here, and even the dimensions also here you can give. This is the height is 60 and the length of the square is 30, and the namings are here, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and this is the center O, here O dash, here A1, B1, C1, D1, and this is O1, as the center is projected like this, so O1. I think you understood how to draw the projections of square pyramid. I hope you understood the video. Let's see in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.